guys, this concludes this video for today. I hope you enjoyed the sound notes that come out of this car, and I hope this answered a lot of the questions for the Instagram followers that we have. So if you haven't followed our Instagram page, please do so. The link is at the bottom. I'll be looking forward to talking to you guys and interacting and sharing this project, and hopefully giving you an incentive to modify your Macan and step out of that comfort zone that a lot of Porsche owners have, to where they are kind of afraid of touching your vehicles because it's a Porsche. I'm one of those guys that I'm a car guy through and through, and I'm going to modify my vehicle in the way I like it, the way I want to. I'm trying to close out this video. See you guys on the next episode, and please give me the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next episode.